So today I want to talk about this changeover breaker, right? So today let's talk about this changeover breaker. So the first thing is that this changeover breaker switches between two inputs. So we have two inputs from the underside, then we have one output on top, right? Okay, so the two inputs that we can actually put on the underside of this changeover breaker is solar and Zesa, right? I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, right. So this changeover breaker can switch between either 1, then 0, which means there's no current passing through this breaker, then 2, which is the other input. 0, no current passing through the breaker, then 1, the second input, right? Okay, so what's happening is that on the underside of this changeover breaker, so this side we put the live wires, right? So let's assume this is coming from Zesa and this is coming from solar, right? Then on the right side we put the neutral wires. Let's assume this is coming from Zesa and this is coming from solar, right? So it means that when we put the switch onto one side, it's going to go to solar, right? Let's just say it's going to switch to solar. So it means that the current is coming from solar, then passes through and it goes on the output. Then on the neutral side, it means the neutral side or of the solar side is now completing the circuit on the neutral side, right? When you put it on 0, then it cuts the circuit from both Zesa and solar. Then when you switch it to the other second input, it means this Zesa one is now passing current and it's passing through the changeover breaker on this other side and going to the output. Then this one is closed. This one, this open, this input is now open. So you know there's no current passing through. So the Zesa one now has current passing through to the output side. Then same happens to the neutral. The neutral one is actually completing the circuit as well. So this is how a changeover breaker functions like. So this is the principal function of a changeover breaker, and this is how you connect it. This is Zesa, then this is Zesa, then this is solar, and this is solar. So you are switching between Zesa input and solar input, right? Then the output is the same.